Hello dear student, welcome to my new video here, Yuvraj from EV Talk channel. Dear student, today I am going to discuss with you about the India climate lesson multiple choice questions. So before it already I have uploaded more than 8-9 videos on this topic like multiple choice questions. You can also watch them. I have given a link in my description box. You just go to my description box and click on that link. You will get those all videos. And the most important thing is that student, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because through this subscribe my channel you will get more than 200 plus videos about English grammar, spoken English and social science. Dear students, please like this video and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's move on the questions. See there, the first question is on your screen. The first question is like this, student. In India, the rainy season occurs during these months. Okay, the options are like this. Option A, December to February. Option B, March to May. Option C, June to mid-September. Option D, mid-September to November. Here they given the 4 options. So what do you think? In our country, the rainy season occurs during these months. So already you have a little idea about this, because you know that when the rain, monsoon season are there in our country. Okay, here they given the 4 options. If you have any guess, student, see there, the right answer is option C, June to middle September. Okay students, you know that the rainy season started now from at the time of the June and it's ended to middle September. Okay, now let's move on the next question. The second question is like this. During the retreating monsoon season, tropical cyclones frequently occur in. Okay, see the options. Option A, the Arabian Sea. Option B, the Bay of Bengal. Option C, Indian Ocean. Option D, Atlantic Ocean. So try to understand the question properly. The question is like this. During the retreating monsoon season, tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Arabian Sea is there, the Bay of Bengal is there, Indian Ocean is there, Atlantic Ocean is there. Have you any guess? See the right answer. The right answer is like this. Option B, the Bay of Bengal is the right answer, students. Okay, I hope you understood about these 2 questions. Now let's move on the next question. So another one thing, if you have any doubt, you should comment me in the through the comment. You should ask me about any doubt. Then another one thing is that, students, in future also I have planned to take the online classes about spoken English and English grammar. So if you are interested, you can also join our Telegram link. So in description box I have given a Telegram link. You just go and click on that link. You will join our Telegram link. Even in our Telegram link you will get the direct link our new videos. Okay students, see there, the third question is like this. During the northeast monsoon season, the coastal parts of these states get rainfall. See the question properly. During the northeast monsoon season, so that time the coastal parts of these states get rainfall. Which states, have any idea? See there, the states are like this. Option A, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Option B, Gujarat, Goa, Maharashtra. Option C, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu is there. So next option D, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha is there. So here they given the 4 options. Among these, which those states they get the rainfall at the time of the northeast monsoon season? See the right answer. The right answer is, students, option D, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Okay, it is the right answer here. So option D. Okay, option D is the right answer. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, these states get the rainfall during the northeast monsoon season. Okay students, now let's move on the next question. The 4th question is, in India the lowest rainfall occurs at option A, Ganganagar. Option B, Roili. Option C, Masindram. Option D, Dras. Okay, here the given the question is like this. In India the lowest rainfall occurs at. So lowest rainfall, which place get the lowest rainfall in our country? See there, the options are 4 options are there. So the right answer is, student, option B, Roili. So Roili is the right answer here. Okay, option B, Roili is the right answer. I hope you understood, students. Now let's move on the next question. The 5th question is, the rainfall decrease towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the. Okay, try to understand the question properly. Don't be confused. Okay, the rainfall decrease towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the. Option A, windward area. Option B, interior peninsula. Option C, rain shadow area. Option D, high altitude. So what do you think? What is the right answer? Have any guess? C there. The right answer is, student, option C. Okay. rain shadow area. Okay, it is the right answer here. Option C is the right answer, students. Okay, I hope you understood, students. Now let's move on the next question. Question number 6 is like this. The convectional rain that occurs during summer season in Uttar Pradesh is called. So at the time of the summer season in Uttar Pradesh, they get the convectional rain. So what they have called that rain? See, the options are like this. They called it the Andes. Option B, Kala Baisakis. Option C, mango showers. Option D, coffee blossoms. So here they given the 4 options: Andes, Kala Baisakis, mango showers, and coffee blossoms. Okay, here given the 4 options. So have any guess? See there, the right answer is, students, Andes. Okay, they are called the Andes. So while at the time of the summer season in Uttar Pradesh, they get the convectional rain. They called it the Andes. Okay, students, option A, and this is the right answer here. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next question. The next question is, India has this type of climate. Option A, tropical monsoon climate. Option B, polar climate. Option C, temperate climate. Option D, continental climate. Okay, what is the right answer? See, the right answer is, student, option A, tropical monsoon climate. So India has this type of climate. So India has a tropical monsoon climate. So option A is the right answer. So don't be confused here, friends. If you have any doubt, you should ask me in the comment box. So I will tell you if you have any doubt. So because sometime at the time of the recording, some videos are you have not seen proper clearly, or some problem happen while you are recording the video. So if you feel like that, you should ask me in the comment box. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The 8th question is like this. In India, the heaviest rainfall occurs at which place in our country get the heavy rainfall? See that here the 4 options are there. Option A, Agumbe. Option B, Dras. Option C, Masinram. Option D, Roili. Okay, have any guess, student? I hope you understood the question properly. See, the question is, here is, in our country where you get the heavy rainfall. So have any guess? See there, Agumbe is there, Dras is there, Masinram is there, Roili is there. See there, the right answer is, students, option C, Masinram is the right answer. Okay, option C is the right answer, Masinram. So in Masinram, they get the heavy rainfall in our country. Okay, I am not telling here, it is not about our state, it is not about the world, it is about our country. In our country, we get the heavy rainfall in Masinram. Okay, I hope you understood, students. Now let's move on the next question. The next question is, student, 9th one. In India, the lowest temperature is recorded at. So in our country, where is the lowest temperature is recorded? See there, the options are option A, Ganganagar. Option B, Roili. Option C, Masinram. Option D, Dras. Okay, here they given the 4 options. So don't be confused. I told you in this lesson you get the highest rainfall, lowest rainfall, highest temperature, lowest temperature. So these type of questions are arise here in this lesson. So try to remember the places properly. So in India, the lowest temperature is recorded at Ganganagar is there, Roili is there, Masinram is there, Dras is there. The right answer, students, see there, option D, Dras is the right answer. So in Dras, it is a place. So here we get the lowest temperature. Okay, it's a recorded lowest temperature we have seen here. Okay, now let's move on the next question. The 10th question is like this. The coldest month of India is, okay, which month in our country we called it is the coldest month of India? Okay, have any guess? See there, options are there. Option A, October. Option B, November. Option C, December. Option D, January. Here they given the 4 options. What do you think? Which month is considered the coldest month of India? Guess, any guess, students? See the right answer. The right answer is option D, January. So option D, January is considered as the coldest month of our country in India. Okay, now let's move on the next question, students. Okay, the next question is on your screen. 11th question. In India, the highest temperature is recorded at. So I told you, previous question we discussed about the lowest temperature in where you get it the, and next is now 11th question is, in India the highest temperature is recorded at. So because of this I told you, so try to remember the place properly. You don't be confused, you know. Sometimes you write the where you get the lowest temperature in the name of the lowest temperature, you should write the highest temperature place name. So because of that, you should be remember names properly. So in India, the highest temperature is recorded at option A Roili, option B Dras, option C Ganganagar, option D Masinram. Okay, it's a Masinram. Here spelling mistake is there. Masinram is there. Okay, friends. Okay. See that here they are given the four options. Roili is there, Dras is there, Ganganagar is there, Masinram is there. So which place we consider it's the highest temperature recorded in our country? See that the right answer, students, Ganganagar. So Ganganagar is the place. Here you get the highest temperature. So it's the recorded temperature in our country. So Ganganagar is the place. Okay, students. Now let's move on to the next question. It's the 12th question. Dras near Kargil is prominent for what? See there, option A, lowest recorded rainfall in India. Option B, highest recorded temperature in India. Option C, lowest recorded temperature in India. Option D, highest recorded rainfall in India. Okay, here they given the four options are there. Highest temperature, lowest temperature, and lowest rainfall and highest rainfall is there. So have any guess for the right answer? See that the right answer is lowest recorded temperature in India. So about this I already discussed this question, but same question they can ask in a different pattern. So this question is discussing the 10th question, I think. Okay, lowest recorded temperature in our country. They given the place name, but here Dras near Kargil is prominent for what? Like this type of ask. Okay, sometime I told you, because of that you should be read properly question and try to understand. Because sometimes you know the answer, but while they are asking the question, that I am getting the confused and you make a wrong. So try to understand the question properly and then mark. You should share in the OMR sheet. Okay, friends. I hope you understood. So today I have discussed with the 12 questions. Again next tomorrow or day after tomorrow again I have uploaded a new video on the different lesson. So I hope you will like my video. So please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel, students. And you can also follow me on the Facebook, Insta and Twitter. And just you go to YouTube and there, just type there You Talk Grammar. You will get more than 200 plus videos about the English grammar, social science and spoken English, students. And you have also WhatsApp group is there. You can also join our WhatsApp group. And I have also told you in description box I have given a link of my Telegram group. You should go and click on that link and you can also join our Telegram group, because through this group you can directly share our new videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, students.